Hello, in this video we'll be treating more idioms. Number 12, a jaundiced eye. What does it mean to view something with a jaundiced eye? It means to view something with a mind filled with prejudice. So I can say, when the matter was brought before the judge, he viewed it with a jaundiced eye. Number 13, a man in the street. Who is a man in the street? A man in the street is an ordinary man. So I can say John is simply a man on the street. There is nothing more than him that is different from the ordinary. Number 14, a slippery customer. Who is a slippery customer? A slippery customer is simply an unreliable person. So I can say Tolani is a slippery customer since I can't rely on her. Number 15, a silver lining. What is a silver lining? A silver lining is simply a redeeming feature in a person. Someone who has encountered a lot of misfortune or who has done a lot of bad things but has that one thing that is enough to save them. So I can say Kayode's silver lining is his patience. Kayode's silver lining is his patience. Number 16, a silver tongue. A silver tongue simply means a sweet style of speaking. So if you do have a silver tongue, that means you speak in such a sweet way that you can use it to deceive people. So I can say Udenwa has a silver tongue. Number 17, a watery grave. What does that idiom mean? A watery grave simply means to die by drowning. Now, that is one terrible way to die. So that is one way to say it in an easy way when somebody dies by drowning. So I can say Chika died in a watery grave. So, or was buried in a watery grave. So that means Chika died by drowning. Number 18, a shot in the loca. A shot in the loca. What is a shot in the loca? A shot in the loca is the last reserve. The last of that thing that you have in your arsenal against someone. So, I can say, since the boxer was a southpaw, his left hook was his shot in the locker. It was the last shot he had to bring down his opponent. Number 19, a utopian scheme. What is a utopian scheme? A utopian scheme is a fanciful, unrealizable scheme. So I can say Kunle's attempt to build on the ocean without proper funding is simply a utopian scheme. That is, it is at best fanciful, yet unrealizable. And finally, number 20, widow's mite. What is a widow's mite? A widow's mite is a small but sincere gift. A small but sincere gift. Now remember that every idioms that you know have some sort of root somewhere, and this one is an example. This idioms actually is from the Bible. Remember the passage about the widow who gave all she had, and yet it was small but it was acceptable. So I can say Tolani's gift at the birthday can best be regarded as a widow's mite. Simply because though the gift may have been small, but it came out of a sincere heart. Now, please, students, keep trying more examples on idioms so as to familiarize yourself with more. Thank you.